Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can turn off Assistive Touch on iPhone. As you can see, this Assistive Touch, you wanna turn this off. Let me show you how you can do it. Open up your iPhone settings and then go to accessibilities. There you will find touch. Click on that, and then on the top Assistive Touch. Click on that, and then you will see on the top Assistive Touch options over here. Once you click on that toggle, it's gonna be remove or turn off, and you will never get this option on your display. Once you turn this again on, it's gonna be comes on your screen and you can use it as well. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.